Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting edition of How Do I Do This? Today's topic of conversation, we are going to get our names of our part authors into our part list. Okay. Inventor is great because it allows you to do this with a single click. Fusion, not so much because it's trying to guess what you're doing, and it only can guess these items. They've been updating that since 2018. I'm sure they'll get to it. Regardless, we're going to figure out a way to get this in there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a neat little trick. You're going to have to go back to your actual assembly. And so I'm back here with my selfie stick to show you guys this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on a couple of parts and say the properties, the parts list pulls information from this properties. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my name here, Bobby. Then I'm going to click refresh. Okay. And it says that Bobby is already there. Okay, cool. Now I can click close. And for shoe bottom, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to click properties. It's going to want to think for a minute. All right. So now double click it to be able to type in. And I'm going to say Fred. And I'm going to say refresh. And it's going to say, wait, Fred? It's Fred's the description? Okay. All right. Now, what we now need to do, since we've got a couple of names in there, you want to make sure everybody gets their names into their parts. Then what you're going to do is very important. Click save. Let it think because it likes to think. Now what we're going to do is come here to our selfie stick. And now you see this warning that's here now? This warning is saying that some of the things that are dependent upon in here have changed back in an earlier view. And so we need to apply those changes forward. So I'm going to click that. And it's going to think. And it's going to think longer. And now the names are popping up. So that's the easiest way to get the names to show up in Fusion 360. So hopefully this helped you out. If not, hopefully you got a better way. Take care.